Did you know that over 80% of people abandon their New Year's resolutions before January ends? And you? Has it happened to you already? If this year you've thought about starting to run, let me tell you something. It could be the best thing you do in your life, or a complete disaster if you don't do it right. Imagine this. You, feeling energetic, stronger, healthier, and leaving stress behind with every stride. But also imagine ending up frustrated, in pain, or throwing in the towel because no one told you how to truly start. Today, I'm going to tell you exactly what you need to know to take that first step, and make sure this is the year running isn't just a resolution but a change for life. Ready? Let's go. Did you know that running could be the best decision of your life? And no, I'm not exaggerating. Listen to this. You'll live longer. Studies show that running regularly can add up to 7 years to your life. Yes, 7 more years to enjoy everything you love. It's like finding a shortcut to immortality. Well, almost. Say goodbye to stress. Have you had days when you feel like everything is overwhelming? A 20-minute jog can reduce your stress levels faster than any TV series or a nap. It's like therapy, but free. Burn calories like a furnace. An hour of running can burn up to 600 calories, depending on your weight and speed. What does that mean? It's like eating a burger with fries and making it not count. Running is the secret tool to balance pleasure and control. Your heart will thank you. If you run, you reduce the risk of heart disease by up to 50%. 50%. It's like having life insurance, but way more fun. Happier in minutes. Running releases endorphins, those magical substances in your brain that make you feel euphoric. They call it the runner's high. And believe me, once you feel it, you won't want to stop. Better memory? Also, research suggests that running helps your brain work better and remember more. Running isn't just for your body, but also for your mind. You'll look amazing. In addition to losing fat, running tones your legs, glutes, and abs. The result? A stronger, more sculpted version of yourself that will make you feel unstoppable in front of the mirror. Connect with yourself. Every stride is a moment to clear your mind, solve problems, or simply connect with the present. It's your time, your space, your escape. And best of all, you don't need to pay for an expensive membership or complicated equipment. Just a pair of running shoes, a bit of determination, and the world becomes your gym. I'm going to give you 5 tips to help you make running your lifestyle from now on. Tip 1. Start slow, but start. The biggest mistake people make when starting to run is this. They want to run fast, far, and a lot from day one. And that, my friend, is a guaranteed recipe for ending up injured, frustrated, and saying, running isn't for me in less than a week. But today, we're going to avoid that. First, forget about speed. No one is chasing you. It's not a race against time. It doesn't matter if you run slow. What matters is that you start. Did you know that even the best marathon runners in the world had to start by walking? The key is simple. Alternate walking and jogging. For example, start like this. Jog for 1 minute, walk for 2 minutes, and repeat this for 20 minutes. Does that sound too easy? Perfect. Because that's the point. To start gently so your body adapts and to avoid injuries. This isn't a sprint, it's a journey. Also, here's something many beginners don't know. When you start running, your heart, lungs, and muscles need time to sync up. At first, you might feel out of breath or like your legs weigh a ton, and that's completely normal. But if you take it slowly, those systems will adapt, and in a few weeks, you'll be amazed at how much you've improved. Another trick. Start running on soft surfaces like grass, dirt, or tracks. This reduces the impact on your joints and makes the experience much more enjoyable. Remember this. Your only goal in the first few weeks is to enjoy, not to prove anything. Don't compare yourself, don't try to break records, and above all, don't pressure yourself. Every step you take, even if it's slow, is a step toward a stronger and healthier version of yourself. And here's the magic. When you start slow but steady, something incredible happens. You realize that running isn't a punishment, it's a tool to improve your life. And best of all, you'll do it without suffering, without pain, and without wanting to quit. Tip 2. Equip yourself like a pro. If you think you can start running with any old clothes and those sneakers you've had for years, Let me warn you, that's the fast track to disaster. Did you know that wearing the wrong shoes can cause knee, ankle, and even back pain? Not to mention blisters. But don't worry, you don't need to spend a fortune. Just follow these tips. Get running-specific shoes. Not all shoes are the same. You need footwear with good cushioning and that fits your foot shape. Are you a pronator or a supinator? Specialized stores can help you choose the perfect model. Forget cotton. Cotton clothes absorb sweat and leave you soaked and cold. Instead, use technical fabric shirts and pants that wick sweat away and keep you dry and comfortable. Don't ignore socks. Technical socks are lifesavers. They reduce the risk of blisters and are much more comfortable than regular ones. And here's the most impressive fact. Investing in the right gear can improve your performance by up to 10%. So it's not just about comfort. It's a direct advantage. Running with the right equipment will not only make you feel like a pro, but will also prevent you from quitting due to avoidable discomforts. Tip 3. Set small but exciting goals. Now, we're not talking about signing up for a marathon tomorrow. Relax. The mistake many beginners make is setting goals so big that they end up feeling overwhelmed and quitting. The secret here is to start with small goals, but ones that excite you. For example, your first goal could be run for 5 minutes straight without stopping. When you achieve it, feel proud, celebrate it, because that small win is a big step. What's next? Maybe your first kilometer. Then, maybe 3 kilometers. And before you know it, you'll be running 5 kilometers without even thinking about it. Did you know that celebrating small goals increases your chances of success by over 80%? It's pure psychology. Every small win releases dopamine, the pleasure hormone, and makes you want to keep going. But here's the key. Make your goals specific and achievable. Instead of saying, I want to run more, say, I'm going to run 3 times a week for 20 minutes. See the difference? Clear goals keep you focused and make you feel like you're progressing. And if you need extra motivation, invite someone to run with you. Not only will you feel more committed, but it'll also be more fun. Because in the end, running is a personal adventure, but sharing it makes it even more exciting. Tip 4. Don't compare yourself to others. This is key. Stop looking at what others are doing. Comparing yourself to faster, stronger, or more experienced runners is one of the quickest ways to lose motivation and quit. Why? Because there will always be someone who seems to be ahead of you. Think about this. Every runner you see flying through the park, posting impressive times, or sharing pictures on social media also started from zero. Yes, all of them. Even elite athletes had their first day running a single kilometer, gasping for air, and wondering, is this normal? Your only rival is yourself. Did you know running isn't just physical? It's mental. Every step you take, no matter how small, brings you closer to becoming the best version of yourself. It doesn't matter if you run slower than others, or if you need to walk in the middle of your jog. What matters is that you're moving forward, and that's already a victory. Also, remember this. Most of the people you see running didn't start yesterday. If you've been running for a week, compare yourself to who you were 7 days ago. That's where the real progress is. So, the next time you think, I'm not fast enough, replace it with, I'm on the right path, because you are. And that's what counts. Tip 5. Make running fun and a habit. Here's the trick to not quitting. Enjoy the process. If running becomes a heavy obligation or something you hate, it won't last. But if you make it fun, something you look forward to, it'll become a part of your life forever. How do you do it? Easy. Create an epic playlist. Music can turn any boring jog into an exciting experience. Put on your favorite songs, the ones that make you want to dance, and let them carry you with every step. Explore new places. Don't always run in the same park or on the same streets. Look for new routes, trails, beaches, or places that inspire you. Each run will feel like a mini adventure. Run with someone. Find a friend or join a running group. Having company makes the time fly by, and you'll feel even more motivated. Now, let's talk about habits. Here's the key. Schedule your runs like an appointment. Decide on the days and times you're going to run and stick to them as if it were an important meeting. When you make it part of your routine, You no longer have to decide if you're going to run because you already know it's in your plan. And, most importantly, don't beat yourself up if you miss a day. Consistency is key, but perfection isn't. If you skip a run one day, get back to it the next. Remember, running is a gift you give yourself, not a punishment. The reward? A habit that not only transforms your body, but also your mind. Because running isn't just exercise. It's freedom, it's energy, and above all, it's joy. And there you have it. Now you know how to start running and, most importantly, how not to quit. Remember, every step counts, and this could be the start of something incredible in your life. If this video has inspired you, leave me a comment with your goal for this year. Are you going to start running? What excites you the most? Give this video a like if it's been helpful, subscribe for more content to keep you motivated and supported on your journey, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. See you in the next video, and don't forget, the first step is always the most important.